How to use Mobile Thru in the Chick-fil-A app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chick-fil-A app on your device. Here, click on Menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. And then, click on Start Pickup Order. Here, simply search for your location. You'll find all the stores available. After you've clicked your store, if it's available, you can choose drive-through pickup. And if available at the store, you can choose Mobile Thru. And after you do this, you can add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. And when you arrive, the app uses location to check you in as well. And this is how to use Mobile Thru in the Chick-fil-A app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.